Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on what part of the world you are in. This is the Big Girl Diary, entry 61. I'm going to go back a little bit because something just connected. Back to the Kyle Rittenhouse case. I did a video on the defense. I did a video on the judge. I did a video on Kyle's mother. Now I'm going to do a video on my commenters, because you really tried with me, because I was really trying to get an understanding of where you were coming from, and I have an open mind. I listen to all aspects. I try very hard not to draw conclusions on something that's open, because everyone has a point of view and an aspect, and I do respect and value all opinions. Okay. However, I went back over one of my videos and I missed when I said that they were deputized. That is where I missed it, even though I said it, but I missed it. So I have a better understanding of exactly where you're coming from, as far as when my commenters were saying that he did nothing wrong. And I'm looking up Wisconsin law, like, where are they coming from? I mean, so when I look back on it, and I pulled up a video, not a video, an article written by Reuters. The Kenosha police deputized militia ahead of deadly shooting lawsuit claims. Now, okay, Kyle was a part of a militia that was to protect property, I presume, because that's where they were. Now, one thing I would like for us to have an understanding, because what I'm thinking, where this civil lawsuit, it's going to be a civil lawsuit. Let me backtrack. Kyle was went through a criminal local court, not the federal. Now this lawsuit, that's what is that man's name? Gage Grosskreutz filed. It's a federal lawsuit. So even though what occurred on a local level, what Gage is doing is he's filing on a federal level. So I understand what a lot of you are saying is that he's not going to have any issues. I don't know. I really don't know, because on a federal level, a federal civil lawsuit is different, and in order to have a federal lawsuit, he would have to ask for more than, what is it, $75,000, and also have a different criteria. I don't quite remember. I was doing a little research on another civil suit that went on between Cardi B and a YouTuber named Tasha K. And Tasha K was sued for a little less than $4 million. I'm like, ouch. Ouch, ouch, ouch. So this is going to be this is going to be rather interesting, because Kyle is being lumped in a lawsuit with the Kenosha government on a federal level, and Kyle being brought into that. Now, this guy and also the family can ask for a lot of money. Now, some of you commented saying that Kyle has $1 million. Look, that $1 million can go just like that, and that could be on lawyer fees, maybe $500,000 just on lawyer fees alone, depending on who's defending him. And then you get into the different counts of what they're asking for, how many counts there may be. So I wanted to let you know that now I have a better understanding of where you're coming from, and I just wanted to let you know that they're filing federal, so federal is going to be very, very, very different. I'm just watching it wherever the chips may fall, but I still, oh man, I mean, this boy is so young, just, you know, he's being pegged as a white supremacist, being pegged as a racist, and he's young, and for me, I don't feel comfortable calling that young man that. I mean, I have, most definitely got into debates and told people, you are a supremacist and a bad one at it, depending on what kind of little slant I want to get in there. But this, oh man, my heart, and his mother, oh my goodness. I mean, poor Wendy. Oh Lord, I hear what people say and YouTubers say, how he's a white supremacist, he's dividing the country, and black, white, whatever color of the spectrum, ethnicity, or whatever it is, he's the face of the separation. So I'm just thinking, it really must be hard on him, even though that he's going on these conservative talk shows and conventions, and one commenter said that he will be on Twitter. Was it Twitter? Well, he would be protected forever. No. That is I understand the heartfelt intention of that statement, but that right there is it's based in my opinion, emotion and feeling, but not facts. It's not factual, because none of us will support the same thing forever. I haven't met anyone, and then again, I don't know 7 billion people either. So and I want to thank my commenters and subscribers for communicating with me, and I do have an open mind. I'm not closed mind, and just communicating with you. I just want to really thank you with that, having that exchange, the intellectual exchange, which I love the most. So in short, I just wanted to make this video to let you know that I'm where you are. I get why you say what you say, and I get why you say what you say about the civil suit. Just keep in mind, it's on a federal level. Kenosha deputized everybody on the local, state level, not federal. So on that note, like, subscribe if you like my content, help a sister out, but most of all, thank you for commenting, subscribing, and most of all, thank you for stopping by.